gonna keep that vibe. Rubber side down.
Wow, wowzers, damn it, punctures, funsies. Well, hello there, how's it going? Welcome to another one of my wonderful motovlogs. This one ain't wonderful, it's not wonderful at all, it's a bit tedious. Damn it. Punch on the Beta the other week, now punch on the Triumph today. I had a very, very nice man, a very, very nice man, a very, 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 very nice man from the AA come along and plug my tyre for me. And yes, his blooming airline snapped. He asked me to roll my bike forward a little bit so that he could get the splooge that he's put inside my tyre to sit over the hole. There's a massive great tear in the tyre, and yeah, because he hadn't taken his airline out, that all got caught up on the swing arm, and then it snapped, and then we couldn't pump it up. We couldn't pump it up at all. There was no pumpage. There was no air to pump from because we couldn't plug in the thing to the thing. But fortunately, the people at the address where I managed to pull over at were in, and they had a foot pump. So me and Mr. Very Nice Man from the AA took tag teams in pumping 40 psi back into this tyre. And now I'm stuck with a maximum speed of 50 miles an hour. Fortunately, this tyre is deaded. It's almost at the end of its life, and I've been whinging about the tyres being squared off for a while now anyway. So yeah, it's the nail in the coffin, or the nail in the tyre for this one, and we'll get it replaced. Now my front tyre is worn almost as fast as the rear, so I'm kind of tempted to replace them both, kind of, but then there's extra cost of an extra tyre, and my car needs two tyres too. It's all money, isn't it, this motoring thing? All money indeed. Doesn't stop. But it's a price we're prepared to pay because we like to ride these things. Unfortunately, it put a pisser on an all ride out I was having with my mate Matt, who was down from Chester. He was riding this when he got the puncture actually, so it's kind of cool that he got to ride my Beta home, so he got to ride both still, even if he didn't get to ride back with me. Frustratingly, because I've now got this gloop in there, he's actually probably riding that faster than I can ride this. It's the way it goes, it's the way it goes. But I'm in one piece, no one fell off, it's not the end of the world, just a little bit of standing around in a chilly, wintry day. It's actually quite lovely, blue skies, and one of my best mates to have a natter with, so it's all good, it's all good. Had planned on doing all sorts of stuff over the next couple of days. He was supposed to be staying down till Thursday, but unfortunately an emergency sitch happened back at his home in Chester, so that's why he scooted off ahead of me on my other bike. So anyway, now we're out of that boring 30 mile an hour limit. We're just about to be out of that boring restricted speed limit, going to nationals, and yay, 50 miles an hour. So it's not going to be a very exciting ride home. I'm not going to drag you all the way back with me because that would be a little bit tedious. So anyway, just a little update. Punctures, they're fun. Where it goes. Anyways, if you liked punctures, if you liked me standing around doing nothing, twiddling my thumbs waiting for the AA to turn up, if you like the fact that my mate was down for Chester, give it a little thumbs up. And if you didn't like the fact that I had to wait over an hour for the AA, and you didn't like the fact that we didn't get to have our little ride out, and if you didn't like the fact that my mates got to go home early, give it a little thumbs up. Seriously, yes, thumbs up, thumbs down, but whatever you do, please drop in a comment, all that shenanigans. Lovely to hear from you, not that I did, but yes, see you in the comments. Take care, ride safe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep that bike. Rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike. Rubber side down.